Hi everyone. Today for math, we are going to start with a little fluency activity, and we are going to be counting by fives. So we're going to start at 0, and we'll go up to 20, and then I'll give you directions after that, okay? So make sure that you're saying this with me. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, now let's go down. 20, 15, 10. All right, let's go back up until we get to 40. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, let's go back down. 35, 30, 25. Let's go back up. 30, 35, 40, 45. Let's go down. 40, 35, 30. Let's go up. 35, 40, 45, 50. Let's go down. 45, 40, 35. Let's go back up. 40, 45, 50. Let's go all the way back down to 0. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Whew, that was hard. I bet you're wondering why we were skip counting, and one of the reasons we were skip counting for our fluency practice today is because that is something important that you can use to help you with repeated addition. Okay, and we'll get to that a little bit later, but right now on your screen you should see some lima beans, or I don't know what kind of beans they are, but there are some beans in some groups, in some circle groups. And I want you to think about a repeated addition equation that matches this model. So what numbers can we be adding together that would match what the picture is showing? Did you say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? Awesome. Do you think that you can think of a faster way to solve this? We're not counting by ones anymore, which is good. Then we started to skip count by fours. Is there a quicker way? Has anyone ever thought about using what we know about doubles? Let me show you what I mean on the next slide. So we know that we've got our fours up here. This is one of the ways that we added by repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. But then we said that we could also use the doubles method by adding doubles. And what I mean by that is looking at this picture and saying, you know what? If I add these fours and make 8, I can also add these fours and make 8. And I know my doubles, 8 plus 8 is 16. How are 4 groups of 4 the same as 2 groups of 8? Think about that for a minute. How are 4 groups of 4 the same thing as 2 groups of 8? If you said that they both have the same sum, you're right. They're grouped differently, but they end with the same answer. All right. Let's move on. Right now, I would like you to pause this video. You're going to go get some paper and a pencil. And then once you have those materials, please start the video again and we'll get started. All right, welcome back. On your papers, I would like you to draw a group of 5 circles. And then I want you to keep making groups of 5 circles until you have 4 groups. If you're a little confused, watch my screen. Oh my goodness, who is that? Ah, Bibi Lynn got in our math lesson. Oh, that's so crazy. Okay, Bibi Lynn is going to make her groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that's one group of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups of 5. All right, you keep going until you have 4 of these groups. All right underneath, I would like you to write the repeated addition sentence that matches your picture. All right. Sorry, that was probably a little fast. But your repeated addition sentence should be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that's one way that we can find the total. What is another way we can find the total? What do you think? We talked a little bit about skip counting at the beginning, then we were talking about doubles. Could we try both? All right, let's try both. We could skip count. We'll start with 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. And then we could do our doubles method. So I know that I can add my 2 5s together to make 10, and then my other 2 5s together to make 10. And I know that 10 plus 10 is 20. Real quick, what do these 5s mean? What do these 5s stand for? Oh yeah, the 5s stand for the amount of Bibi Lynn heads in each group. I see. So why did we add 5 together 4 times? See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Why did we do that? Oh, because we have 4 groups of Bibi Lynn heads. 3, 4. Okay, that makes sense. All right, I was just checking. I love that we're making connections between repeated addition and skip counting and doubles. Oh, so amazing. Today, you are going to be charged with doing your application problem. We'll read it together first, and then you will have the opportunity to either solve this on your own pencil and paper, or if you would like to solve it on Seesaw, it is there for you as well. I want you to read this with me. Markers come in packs of 2. If Jessie has 6 packs of markers, How many markers does she have in all? Total. Step 1. Draw groups to show Jessie's packs of markers. Now, when we say a pack of marker, we're talking about what the marker is in. There's one marker. There's another marker. This is the pack that the marker is in, that little square thing. Step 2. Draw a repeated addition sentence to match your drawing. Step 3. Group your addends. Remember the numbers that you are adding. What plus what? These are your addends. Group your addends into pairs and add to find the total. That's what we did right here. We grouped our addends into pairs, groups of 2, doubles. So if you want to make that even easier to yourself, you can say group addends into doubles, and then add to find the total. I can't wait to see your work. Good luck.